A Midland's healthcare provider is notifying patients after a cyber attack compromised sensitive information. Sandhills Medical says someone accessed that personal data. News 19's Jamin Wade has more details.
Sandhills Medical says it discovered a ransomware attack in May of last year. An investigation later found an unauthorized third-party accessed its systems and obtained personal information of more than 78,000 South Carolinians. That data may include social security numbers, driver license, financial information, and health records. Impacted patients are now being notified and offered free credit monitoring.
And I'm only guessing because I'm not sure exactly what happened in this instance, but typically what you see is, either someone may receive an email that either has a file attached that they download and try to open, or that email contains a link that they click on. And by taking either of those actions, it allows the ransomware to infect their machines and then ultimately the network.
Kimiko Myers with Team Logic IT says ransomware works by locking up data, making it unreadable without a special key, and in some cases threatening to release that data publicly.
And we see that with this particular breach, instead of just holding your data hostage, keeping it encrypted and just never giving you access to it, what they'll do instead is, hey, you're not going to pay me? Okay, that's fine. So what I'll do is I'll make that data available to everybody in the world.
Myers says that appears to be what happened here, with data potentially ending up on the dark web. And with the breach happening nearly a year ago, some patients may have already been at risk.
So it's been almost 12 months that, all of these patients' data, social security numbers, maybe, payment data, personal data like driver's licenses, addresses, all of that information has been on the dark web, free for anybody to access.
Experts urge anyone impacted to take advantage of free credit monitoring and consider freezing their credit to prevent fraud. Sandhills Medical says it has since strengthened its security system and is working to prevent future attacks. Reporting in Columbia, Jamin Wade, News 19 WLTX.